welcome to Adventures in TV Land. Another food review, another snack review. Today we're trying something that's new, something that's a limited edition. Just walking through the grocery store, as most often is the case with these videos. I came across these. Now, as you can see, these are a limited summer flavor. Right there, limited summer flavor. These are Lay's potato chips, wavy Cuban flavor. So these are Lay's wavy Cuban sandwich potato chips. I guess these are supposed to have a flavor of a Cuban sandwich, and they're on the back there. Got the picture of the pickles, potato chips, and the Cuban sandwich. So these are Lay's wavy Cuban sandwich potato chips. Getting tongue-tied there. I have no idea. I do like a Cuban sandwich, so I do enjoy that flavor. I don't know how that will be on a potato chip, though. I don't know how that will taste on these potato chips. But we're going to try this for the first time, here for your benefit, and give your thoughts afterwards. Smells like regular potato chips. All right, here we go. Try one more. Let me see if I can get one that's actually has more flavor on it. Yeah, well, it's about my fourth one. Try one more. See how this tastes. I'll be honest. Okay, there's a little bit of pickle flavor there at the very end there of that chip. But those chips I had, they really didn't taste like a Cuban sandwich. Honestly, they're kind of bland. I mean, they're not bland since there is no flavor. But the flavor is supposed to taste like a Cuban sandwich, which has a very particular flavor with the ham and the pickles and the other ingredients there. That did not. These chips, at least the ones I've had here, I've had about 5 or 6 now, the wavy Cuban sandwich potato chips from Lay's, these do not taste like a Cuban sandwich. A little bit further down in the bag. See if we can. Bad thing is here, these are all kind of broken up a little bit, so it's harder to get a decent one. Yeah, doesn't really taste like it. So I give you Lay's an A for effort for trying to do something new. Give a flavor of a popular sandwich onto your potato chips. But these are not successful. They do not taste like a Cuban in any sense. Would I buy those chips again? No. Sorry. And on a scale of 1 to 10, they weren't disgusting like some sandwich potato chips I had, like the Pringles Philly cheesesteak chips. Those are disgusting. Those are horrible. I've had some other horrible potato chips in the past couple years. Those aren't quite as bad as that, but they're still not, I mean, they're not that great. There's nothing really to recommend them. So I would give it a 4 out of 10. I would definitely not buy them again. So there we have it. This is a review, taste test and review of the Lay's Wavy Cuban Sandwich Potato Chips from Adventures in TV Land. If you've liked this video, hit that like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Thank you for watching, and until next time, that's a wrap.